Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload your customer list into Google Ads as a custom audience? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your customer list into Google Ads? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that by adding your customer list into your Google Ads, you can target them so that way you stay top of mind. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload your customer list, here on the left side, you're going to click on Tools. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and open up this button here called Shared Library. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Audience. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here at the top, and you want to make sure you've chosen your data segments. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the blue plus icon. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and click on Customer List. Okay, so there's a few different ways you can upload your customer list. If you have your customer list in another application, click right here, and then you can connect one of these data sources, or you can do what I do and you can upload a CSV file. So click right here on upload a file manually. Once you do that, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, here you can go ahead and name the audience. So customer July 2025. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the data type. So you can use IDs, mobile device IDs, but generally I'm going to go ahead and upload the emails. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the file from your computer. They do let you know it must be a CSV file. Okay, once you upload the file, it should appear right here, and you want to scroll down a little bit more. Make sure you have the formatting correct. If you need directions on that, you can download the template right here, or you can go ahead and open this up. Usually I'm only going to use a single column with the emails. That's really up to you. You can also add the phone numbers, first name, last name, zip code, all of that information if you want. Here you have to go ahead and check this box to agree to the terms. And then here you can go ahead and open this up and set the membership duration. For me, I'm generally going to go ahead and set this at 540. Here you can go ahead and add a description. So usually I'll put something so I can remember this. This is just for internal for you to remember. Customer list downloaded July 2025. Okay, and then you want to click on save and continue. Okay, it's going to start process. All right, next you should see this. You've successfully created a new customer list and then the name of the list. They do let you know it can take up to 24 hours to match your list with the data that Google has. And also right here, the segment needs to be at least 1,000 matched customers. So if your list is not at least 1,000 matches, then you're going to have to add in more customers into your list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload your customer list into your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.